In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save presentations in PowerPoint 2016. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save for the first time, pick the right location and file format, and keep your work protected as you continue editing. Start by launching Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. Open an existing presentation or create a new one. It's always a good idea to save early, even if you've just started, so you don't risk losing your progress. For your first save, go to the File tab in the top left corner and choose Save As. Now decide where you want the file to live. Select this PC if you want the presentation stored on your computer. Choose OneDrive if you prefer cloud storage connected to your Microsoft account, which makes it easier to access your file from other devices and share it later. Pick a folder that makes sense for your project or create a new one to keep things organized. Next, give your presentation a clear descriptive name in the file name box so you can quickly recognize it later. A meaningful name saves time when you're searching or sharing. Now choose the file format from the Save as Type dropdown. The default PowerPoint presentation, Spot PPTX, is the standard, fully editable format and works best for most situations. If someone you're working with has an older version of PowerPoint, select PowerPoint 97 2003 presentation, PPT, to maintain compatibility. If you need to share a non-editable version for viewing or printing, choose PDF. You can also explore other formats like saving slides as images, exporting as a video for playback, or creating a template if you plan to reuse the same design and structure. Click Save and your presentation is stored in the location you selected. You'll see the file name appear in the title bar at the top, confirming it's saved. As you continue editing, save regularly to capture your changes. You can go to File and click Save or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. Making this a habit is the easiest way to protect your work. For extra peace of mind, PowerPoint 2016 includes Auto Recover. To adjust these settings, go to File, then Options, then Save. Here you can confirm that Auto Recover is enabled and set how frequently PowerPoint saves backup copies. This feature helps you recover your work if the app or your system crashes unexpectedly. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.